The world is heading towards net zero emissions, or achieving a balance between the greenhouse gases put into the atmosphere and those taken out. Actions will be needed to keep this momentum. We are all in charge of saving the planet. We all share the responsibility, at least in the industrialized world. There are a number of different pathways to reducing greenhouse gas emissions, involving different combinations of actions on renewable energy, energy efficiency, carbon sequestrations, and emission savings from sectors such as agriculture and land use. Soil is one of the most important elements of an ecosystem. Soil has suffered from the excessive exposure to chemicals used, leaving soils today dry and barren. Soil health is the most valuable resource for humans, as human life depends on the soil's generosity. Soil degradation, therefore, poses a threat to food security, as it reduces yield, forces us to increase use of synthetic fertilizers and pesticides, which may eventually lead to soil deterioration. Food grown with commercial synthetic fertilizers in soils are also coated with toxic substance, which causes various health problems for humans. While humans are trying to implement programs aimed at reducing impact on the environment, how do we regenerate and restore healthy soil to ensure long-term food security? While reducing greenhouse gas emissions is an essential step to fight against climate change, effective climate protection, however, requires us to use more specific methods to remove carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. We can achieve this through regenerative agriculture and farming practices, which include applications such as compost and soil amendments that are used to improve the health of farmland. Our enriched biochar comes in handy to improve soil conditions, revitalizes and enhances soil for increased productivity, better biological activity, moisture and nutrient retention, which are linked to the stronger root structure, seed establishment, greater nutrient uptake, and reducing watering requirements. Biochar is a long-term store for nutrients, keeping them available for plants, suitable for a range of landscaping, productive agriculture, and gardening projects. Beyond plant health, biochar, a promising negative emissions technology, can also be used for land remediation, combined with soil carbon sequestration through regenerative land use and agricultural practices. Biochar locks up carbon in the soil and the ground for years, even centuries. This accomplishes the dual aims of reducing levels of atmospheric carbon dioxide and other harmful greenhouse gases, which is directly linked to the rising of global temperatures and improving soil health. In addition to the use of biochar, our wood vinegar boosts soil fertility and immunity from diseases, as well as improving absorptions through the roots, stimulates plant and vegetable growth, strengthens roots and leaves, repels insects, controls pests and nematodes, as well as prevents plant from fungal infection. It can also be used on pets and cattle to prevent ticks, fleas, skin diseases, and bacterial infections. When biochar and wood vinegar are used together, we can create a green revolution in soil health. Our emerging technologies in these two products, with numerous applications in climate-smart agriculture and environmental remediation, helps you to support the increased use of this forward-thinking technology and to make an important contribution towards climate protection. We can improve soil health much faster than we used to think possible. If we get the soil right, we can fix a lot of our issues. Healthy soil lead to healthy plants, which lead to healthy animals, healthy foods, healthy humans, healthy water, and a fine, healthy climate. With all combined, it makes a better planet. The solution can be as simple as each of us taking the responsibility to improve the soil around us. Biochar mitigates climate change and, together with wood vinegar, support food security and the circular economy. The key to health and a healthy planet is by eating crops grown by healthy dirt. The future is in our hands, and the only way forward is going green and beyond.